Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders' wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below before you leave. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. Today is Sunday, which if you're new to my channel, I do What's for Dinner every single Sunday. Today's is a very special one because it is a collab with two of my awesome friends here on YouTube, KRISTEN from KRISTEN STEPP and also Jennifer from CookCleanAndRepeat. They have amazing What's for Dinner videos. I absolutely love them. They're the sweetest. And like I said, their What's for Dinners are awesome. So if you're coming from their channel, I want to welcome you. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. And if you're from my channel, make sure to go over and check them out. Links to their channels are in the description box. So let's get started.
You say you're too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you.
So on the first night, we are making Dorito Casserole. This is my son's absolute favorite dinner, and it's so easy to make and very quick. So the first thing we're going to do is in a mixing bowl, we are going to combine 1 can of Rotel. We're going to do half a cup of milk, and then we are going to add half a cup of sour cream, and then you are going to add about half a cup to a cup of cheese. It's kind of just a personal preference on how much ever cheese you want. You know, I'm not shy with the cheese. I add a lot of cheese just because, like I said, that's my preference. So add some cheese, and then you're going to take whatever taco seasoning you like and just add half of the mixture. Not all of it, just half. Then you're going to stir that around and mix that around real good. And then which makes it so much easier, I get a rotisserie chicken. It's flavored, it's already cooked. You don't have to do anything. I just take it, I shred it, and I add it to that mixture. And then you mix it up all nice. And then I totally forgot, or something happened in my camera. I don't know what happened because I totally filmed this part. But then you just take a bag, a normal size bag of the nacho cheese Doritos. I put some into the mixture and I mix that around. Then I take a casserole dish and I spray it with Pam. I put the mixture on, and then I take the rest of the bag of Doritos and sprinkle on top, and then you'll cook that in the oven for about 30 minutes until the sides are kind of boiling on 350. And then you're done. I serve mine with a side of corn, and that's it, you guys. It's so delicious and it's so easy, and that's why I love it the most.
So in love with her, I fall and try again.
So on the next night, we are making little roast beef croissant sandwiches. So I ran out of cookie spray, so I just used parchment paper, which is totally fine. You can do either. And then I just got some roast beef, like lunch meat from the store, provolone cheese, and then croissants. And that's literally all you're going to need. So all you do is you take the croissants, and then you're going to take a piece of the provolone cheese, and you're going to, inside the provolone cheese, take some roast beef, how much ever you like. Then you're going to roll it up, and then you're going to roll it up into the croissant. And then you just follow the directions on the back of the croissant little round thing. So I think mine said 350 or 375 for how many ever minutes until they're done. And literally, you guys, that's all you do. I took the Au Jus sauce, the McCormick mixture, and I just made my Au Jus sauce from that. If you know how to make it from scratch, you can totally do that. Doesn't matter, but that is what I did. And surprisingly, my kids loved these. Like, you could do this with ham and cheese would be really good. You could use so many things with these, but they were delicious.
Mistakes I never made before, but either way I know.
So when I posted my grocery haul last week, you guys were so excited for these A1 pork chops, so here we go. So all I did was get a family thing of pork chops, the thin ones. I don't get the thick ones or the bone-in ones. These are just the thin pork chops. I had to use 2 baking dishes because my big one was dirty, and hashtag lazy working mom over here. So all I'm going to do is season them with the Cavendars Seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. It's totally up to you. I add a layer of A1 sauce on the bottom of the casserole dish, and then I start layering my pork chops, and then I'll add the rest of the A1 sauce on top, and then you bake it for 375 for 30 to 35 minutes until they're done and boiling, and that is it. That is the easiest thing ever, and you guys, these are so delicious. They are also really good to take for leftovers. They warm up real nice. And so I just made mine with some chicken noodles and some asparagus, and that was it. So delicious.
Never made before, but either way I know I made up my mind.
So on the next night, we are going to be making a sausage, potato, cabbage, like skillet. And so all I did was get some vegetable oil hot into my skillet. And then you guys, I'm sorry the footage of this is so bad. I did not even realize I wasn't showing you cutting up anything. So all I did was take 4 potatoes and I chopped them up and I threw them into the skillet. And then I took this hot smoked sausage, you can use whatever kind you like, and then I chopped that up and added as well. And then I took a head of cabbage and added it to that. And then all I did was add some onion powder, how much ever you guys like. You guys know, if you've been on my channel for a while, I'm all about how much ever you like. Everything is personal preference. So I just added a little bit of onion powder and some black pepper, and then I cooked that until the cabbage and the potatoes were soft, and that is all you do. And then what I like to do as well, I stirred mine continuously pretty much. I let it sit and cook for a little bit. For the most part, I kind of just continuously stirred it on high heat. And then once it is done, I just add cheese and mustard to mine. You can add whatever toppings you like. That is it for today's What's for Dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also go check out Kristen and Jennifer's channels, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!